Hi! Welcome to my class. Our topic for today is about polygons on the coordinate planes. But before we move on to our lesson, I want you to tell me what does the color of the UAE flag represents? Some of you remembers and some forgot. So I want to remind you, red represents hardiness, bravery, strength, and courage. Courage to do good things. Strength to do good things. Good deeds. Like what our Sheikh Zayed did before. Our UAE leaders is always doing good. They have the courage to do always good. So like our UAE leaders, I want you to always do good things. Courage to do good things. Strength to fight for the good. Okay? Now, let's move to our lesson. Our objective for today is to find the perimeter on the coordinate plane and to find the area of figures on the coordinate plane. Let us try to do this. A polygon has vertices M, which is 1 and 7, A, 6 and 7, T, 1 and 2, and H, 6 and 2. Use the coordinate to find the length of each side, then find the perimeter of the polygon. Remember, in ordered pairs, the first number is always the x coordinate. And the second number is the y coordinate. So, in letter M, if x is 1, y is 7. In letter A, if x is 6, y is 7. In letter T, if x is 1, y is 2. And letter H, if x is 6, y is 2. Once we plotted all the data points in the coordinate plane, we can now connect them with a line. Now, let us count how many units does each side length have. To find the side lengths of the horizontal lines, which is line segment MA and line segment TH, they are both 5 units. And to find the side lengths of the vertical lines, which are line segment MT and line segment AH, they are both 5 units also. Therefore, we can find out the perimeter of the polygon, which is the square from the figure. We just need to add the lengths of all the sides. So, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, the perimeter of the polygon is equal to 20 units. Have you been to Sheikh Zayed Palace Museum in Al Ain? Wow, the place is very nice. You will see all the things that was used by our ancestors and they were put into a mini model. You will see it there. So let's try to solve this problem. Each square has a unit length of 100 meters. We're going to find the total distance in meters around the Sheikh Zayed Palace Museum. You can see that all the ordered pairs are plotted in the graph, and they are represented by letters. And you can right away count how many squares does each distances have from each point. The distance from data points of S and H is 12. From H to E is 4. From E to I is 3 units. From I to K, 3 units. From K to Z, 9 units. And from Z to S, it is 7 units. So adding all of them, we can come up with 38 units. But each square unit is equivalent to 100 meters. So we're going to multiply 38 by 100 and we can come up with 3,800 meters. Have you been to Dubai and visited Queen Elizabeth Floating Hotel? Wow, it's amazing. The air and the water are all clean and pure. Now let us try to find out the area of the Queen Elizabeth II Floating Hotel in Dubai. You can right away see the data points on the graph. Do you still remember the formula of the area of trapezoid? Because we have trapezoid in the Queen Elizabeth Floating Hotel. So the area of the trapezoid is 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2. And the area of a rectangle is base times height. By counting the square units of the green trapezoid, we can find out that the height is 3, base 1 is 10, and base 2 is 14. Substituting these values in the formula, therefore, 1/2 times 3 times 10 plus 14. Simplifying 10 plus 14, it will be equal to 24. We can right away cancel 2 and 24 because they have common factor of 2. So how many 2 in 2? There's 1. How many 2 in 24? There's 12. Therefore, we can simplify the equation. 3 times 12 is equal to 36. The area of the green trapezoid is 36 square units. Now let us work on the white trapezoid. We can find out that the height is 2, base 1 is 10, and base 2 is 12. So, substituting the values in the given equation of the area, therefore, the area of the white trapezoid is 1/2 times 2 times 10 plus 12. We can cancel out right away the 2 in the equation. So, 10 plus 12 will be left out. Therefore, the area of the white trapezoid is equal to 10 plus 12, which is equal to 22 square units. To find the area of the red chimney, which is base times height, we're going to multiply 2 times 2. Therefore, the area of the red chimney is equal to 4 square units. To find the whole area of the Queen Elizabeth II Floating Hotel, we can sum up all the total areas of the green trapezoid, the white trapezoid, and the red chimney. So, 36 plus 22 plus 4, we can come up with 62 square units. Wrap it up. To find the perimeter on the coordinate plane, you're just going to find out the ordered pairs and then count how many units does each side length have and add it up so that you can solve for the perimeter of the figure on the coordinate plane. And to find the area of each figure in the coordinate plane, you're just going to apply the formula of the area of each figure. Then, count how many units does each height and bases have. It's easy. As what Sheikh Zayed said, education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. Whenever you are confused on our lesson, go back. Watch it carefully and slowly, and you will understand it. Remember, math is always easy. Till next lesson. Bye-bye.